Crafting beauty from balance. These skills passed on by two masters, knowing the lines, the symmetries, when to catch the heart of the run, let it flow to the casks, along the fire road, over the blue-flamed sea, to those years in the wood, waiting for this turn of metal, the cap, the key, for this release of light, long and pure and gold, this amber of carried fire, held in harmony. The Master's selection from Bowmore and Aston Martin, beautifully balanced.